Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to get TikTok back after you deleted the application. So the process is similar when you didn't delete your application, but you want to download the application for the first time. So go to your App Store and then go to search section at the bottom side of your screen, and then at the top you see search inbox, and here type TikTok, tap search, find here TikTok, and here you will see a button called download. But because I have my TikTok downloaded, I see open button, but you will see download if you don't have your TikTok on your device. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.